Hi guys, today I will show you a very popular tool which is free of course, which can be used for various purposes in social media marketing, and also if you have a website you can create a logo for the same. There is a paid version for this tool, but most of the work can be done with the free version of this tool as well. So you can also download it as an app on your mobile. But since most of my work in digital marketing happens on a website and I use desktop more often than my mobile phone, I am showing you how it can be used on a desktop to create different posters and different posts, share it on social media, which can be done at the go of one click. So to register, it's a normal process. You can go for a free registration which would only ask you an email ID and a password. So I've already registered earlier, so I won't show you the process of registering. But once you register, you come to this dashboard where you have different buttons and drop downs. And the most used button for our purpose in social media marketing would be Create a Design. So if I click on Create a Design, you can see various options that Canva provides. So as I see here, it has got specific links to create Instagram story, Instagram post. You can create a poster. If you have multiple photographs and you want to create a poster, you're good to go. If you have a presentation, you have to give presentation to the client. You also have an option which is free. You can create a business card, a landscape, card sized of posters, A4 document. So there are even infographic, like most often when you blog, you need this link or this kind of information. You have to share it on your blog or social media. For that, you would need infographic. With today's video, I would show you a simplest form of using this tool, which would be an Instagram post. So I'm clicking on that. And if you see here, it would let you know how you have to use this link or this tool specifically for creating Instagram post. If you want more options, you can try Canva Professional. It's a paid version of this tool. But for me, as of now, I'm going to go with the free version. So first, let me rename this. So I'm performing more tasks on digital marketing, so I will name the post as digital market. So I can upload my own images and create a post out of it. I can also embed text. I have more options to change background, to have charts in my poster, to change styles, audio. So there are multiple options. As well as you can integrate some free apps, as well as you can integrate Facebook and Giphy, which are very known. You can also have map in your poster, for which you can integrate Google Maps. So multiple options. So if you see here, you have multiple options that Canva provides on a free version. So that is commendable. So here I am going to go with the already provided posters for this post, which is like they have templates which are already designed. I can just customize to my own taste and to the topic what I'm going to share. So today, so I just want to say good morning to all my Instagram friends. So let me click something which is 3D. As you can see here, it's a 3D poster. So since I've already been using it, I'm not going to go with the help tool. If I run this, it's a seconds video, I think 10 seconds video. So I'm going to change this to good morning. Okay, so the font shows G as this one. So I'm going to go ahead and post this on my Instagram. So I can also add a page and customize this entire template. But for now, I'm not using any ad page as such. So whatever is given by Instagram, by Canva, I'm going to use that. So here, as you can see, I've got these options. So I know I've completed my post, which is a simple good morning message. I can go ahead and share this. So I will share it on my Instagram rather than my Facebook. So I will copy this. The ones which are open is actually my Facebook and Gmail accounts that are open. So I won't be going ahead with this one. So I've copied the link. I have my Instagram open here. So for using Instagram on desktop, you would need another tool. So I'm just going ahead with that one. I will share how this tool is to be used on desktop in another video, but for now I'm just showing you how Canva is supposed to be used. So pardon me on not showing how exactly this tool is embedded. So as you can see here, I have a link for posting my videos. So I've just copied a link. So I don't have to upload anything. I'll just do a post, create a post. So I'm going ahead with so I just found out that for Instagram you would have to download this, because Instagram you need to upload videos and posts. So it has downloaded. So once it has downloaded, so let me go to the download folder. So it also provides a shareable link, as you can see. It's downloading. So it has downloaded. Okay, so I'm going back. So as you can see, you also have an option that Instagram is providing lately. Earlier on the desktop version you would not get this, so you may not require that tool going further. So as you can see in the downloads folder, I have the digital marketing, and there are 2 downloads because I downloaded it again. So I'm just opening this. I'm selecting it from the computer. So you can see the post has come. I'll go with the original size. I'm doing a next. So I don't have anything to add on this because the message itself shows all that I have to. So in the captions I'll just say good morning friends, and I would share it. So it has been uploaded. So let me check. So I'll just go to my profile to see the post. Yeah, so as you can see, these are the posts that I had uploaded, and I can see the post which I have just uploaded saying good morning. So if you like this video and want more on tools and techniques for digital marketing, please like, subscribe and comment so that I can share more videos which can help you out. Thank you for watching.